All right, just a quick vlog about my retro PC system. This build is not complete yet, so I have got myself the CRT monitor. I have an old keyboard from the 90s as well, and this old Microsoft, let's see, Comfort Optical Mouse 3000, some games, and a Windows XP Fold, what's it called, manual. But yeah, I have I'm not done yet because I need a PC. Well, I have a PC. It's right here. It's an MSI Nightblade with upgraded with an Intel Arc A750. But I would very much love to have a PC that I can a vintage PC in beige or gray. So if I find a PC case, hopefully I can find like a horizontal PC case so I can put it down under this display so that I get it lifted a bit when I use it. That would be very awesome. And I think that, well, for starters, I just really want all of these modern parts to fit in the older case that I hopefully find at some point. But yeah, this is where I'm at the moment. So I have almost everything except the actual PC itself. But when I'm there, I can start enjoying some retro gaming. So yeah, I'm looking for a horizontal PC case that can fit an old or an ATX motherboard, if you can see here. So that's kind of the challenge, that I need a PC case in a gray design, just like these parts, but the PC case has to fit like this type of motherboard. So preferably not an AT PC case, but this form factor. And also one condition more is that I want the case to be able to have a CD drive and a floppy disk drive. That could be very useful as well. So if I can find that, that would just be super awesome. But yeah, do you have any suggestions to what PC cases I should look for? I have found a new, there is a company that sells new PC cases in a retro design, but that PC case, the only thing I don't like about it is that you cannot install a CD drive or a floppy drive. They have just made like two fake floppy disk fronts for it. I would very much like either a new PC case in a retro design or an old PC case where I can fit modern PC hardware into, and hopefully not retrofitting. I am trying to avoid retrofitting because that usually just ends up in a bad result with me destroying the PC case. So do you have any ideas to any old PC computers or PC cases that I can actually find somewhere? I think right now I'm having a hard time finding a horizontal case that meets all of my requirements. So yeah, please let us know in the comment section what I can do So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please donate, please subscribe, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.